What's up, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU. Today, we're going to be talking about red light therapy, what it is, and how you can use it to heal an injury. Let's get into it. So, the power of light is one thing that is dramatically overlooked whenever people begin to try and increase their health in general. Whether you're speaking in terms of creation, where the first words that God said was, "Let there be light," which alone shows how important it is to life. Or if you're speaking about the evolution, where life was still dependent on the ability to turn photonic energy, or light energy, into a form of energy that the organism could use in order to survive. There are many different spectrums of light, and they can be used to increase our state of health, especially whenever they're used in the right amounts and in the right wavelengths at the right times. One of the most beneficial spectrums that we see is that of red and infrared light. So red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy or photobiomodulation, is something that not many people know about in the grand scheme of things, but can be one of the most beneficial therapies to increase your health in many different areas. Whether you are wanting to increase your testosterone levels, heal your thyroid, speed up wound healing, decrease inflammation, or decrease pain, red light can be very beneficial to you. And there are also certain ones that have even been certain devices, red light and infrared light devices that have been approved by the FDA to be used for healing and regenerative states. So red light is shown to increase microcirculation of the area that it is being used on, increasing the amount of nutrients that are available in that specific area. It also increases the functioning of the mitochondria in the area that is being used on. This allows for a greater amount of energy to be available for the cells to use during that healing process. This increase in mitochondrial function and microcirculation leads to a dramatic decrease in the time that it takes to heal. Some studies even show over a 50% reduction in the time that it takes to heal a wound or ailment. So how do you actually use the red light to aid in the healing process? Well, first you have to make sure that the light is in the right wavelengths, with the best wavelengths being anywhere from 630 to 850 nanometers, or you can even go all the way up to 900 nanometers. Whenever you're looking at the wattage, you really want to look at anything that's over 300 watts, because that's going to be the power output of the actual wavelengths, and that's what's going to make the biggest difference whenever it's coming into contact with the body and the amount of penetration that it has on the body. So the higher power output of light, the further you can get away from it as well, so you don't have to be right up on it. You can take a couple steps back. But for general purposes, 2 to 6 inches is usually the sweet spot that you want to be around the light. The higher the output, the further away you can get from it, and the less amount of time that you actually have to spend in front of it. But speaking of time, the optimal amount of time to use the red light is going to be around 20 minutes, up to 2 times daily. So you could do this, you could wake up in the morning before you go to work, do 20 minutes on the area that's bothering you or the area that you want to heal, and then you can do 20 minutes before you go to bed at night. This could be part of your daily routine that you do before you go to sleep. Just simply put that red light on the area that you want to heal and the area that you want to optimize, and let it do its thing. There's also a lot of research shows that whenever you do full body therapy, you can get a lot of skin enhancement, so your skin health actually increases. There's less wrinkles. It actually allows for the elasticity and collagen synthesis of the skin to be enhanced too. But that's really all I have to say about light therapy today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I also do a bunch of product reviews, and then Dr. Matt, who is also on this channel, does all kinds of really interesting videos over pain, inflammation, and a whole bunch of things within that realm. So thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you next time.